just took off all these post-it notes on my mirror because it's a new month. And what I started doing about last month was setting my intentions for the month, and just every morning when I come onto my mirror, I see those intentions. So let's set our intention for the month. I think it's very important for everyone to do. I don't know what I'm gonna put, but we're just gonna go off the top of our head. Alright, this is more than I put, ignore my ring light, this is more than I put last month, but I just was going with the flow and I was feeling it, so we can go through what I wrote. I am capable, I am enough, I am loved, I am blessed, I can do anything I put my mind to. I just started my courses, so this is something I want stuck into my mind. I am beautiful, I will prosper. And these are what I'm gonna see in the morning, and this will set the tone for my days. My ring light just turned off. After my room and everything's clean and I put my affirmations, we can talk a little bit. A new month is like a refresh, like cleaning, setting up your space, cleaning your space, whatever that may mean for you, cleaning up your area. It's like a restart and it's so refreshing. I try to tidy up every Sundays or every Saturdays, and then like it's a new month, a nice deep clean. I have been loving this. This is my tried and true, seriously. It is basically just like my crazy schedule for the month. I've talked about this before, but I got a new position. I've been in my position for like 6 months now, and my position is very much client-based. And girl, the amount of sessions I have to meet with clients and appointments I have of my own, and like just a lot going on in my mind. This is what I found just works so well for me, and I can just cross them out. Anyway, May is done. We put some flowers at the top. I'm going to clear this off. Let me go erase this, and I'll come back when we have a fresh start and a blank canvas. We got our June. I decided to do a sun. This is literally my favorite part of the whole thing. Let's time-lapse. That's it. We freaking did it. I'm so excited. I love it. And then as the week goes by, I add more to it. On Wednesday, I'm going to see The Little Mermaid. I also need to add on Thursday of yoga. Just like little bits like that. And then like if I take an extra shift and stuff like that, I add them on. But I recommend setting your intention and setting the tone for new months. I think it's a great way to restart your brain, and it has helped so much with like my mental health. Like I just feel so excited. This literally makes me so happy. It's color coordinated and everything, and it's just so organized. And as the day goes by, I just like, I mark them all off. But I love this. I really do. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just a little bit of my tips and tricks on how I restart for the new months. Very small little tricks and very easy little tricks to do, but a little goes a long way, and it just feels so good. I'm happy I'm like done all this now. Sorry, this was like probably a really quick video. I really think this was a really good video for anyone to see. So yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow in a short. Bye guys. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.